Video editing demands powerful hardware to handle high-resolution footage and complex editing tasks. In this rapidly evolving landscape, having the right laptop can significantly impact your productivity and creativity. We've curated this list based on their performance, specifications, and suitability for video editing in 2024. Whether you're a professional editor or an inspiring content creator, these laptops are designed to deliver exceptional video editing experiences. You can check all the details to the products in the description below. Now let's explore the top choices for 2024. Number 5. Acer Aspire 5. The Acer Aspire 5 secures its place as one of the top 5 best video editing laptops of 2024, offering impressive specifications and valuable features for video editors. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 4 core processor, this laptop provides formidable processing power, ensuring that video editing tasks run smoothly. With a generous 20GB of RAM, you can seamlessly multitask, edit high-resolution videos, and render your projects efficiently. The inclusion of a spacious 1TB SSD not only guarantees rapid data access, but also ample storage for your video files and creative assets. The laptop's 15.6-inch Full HD display presents your video editing canvas with clarity and vibrancy, making it a pleasure to work on color correction, video trimming, and other video editing tasks. Whether you're editing in a professional studio or on location, this laptop offers the portability and versatility you need. Additionally, the backlit keyboard enhances your productivity, allowing you to work in low-light environments with ease. The fingerprint login feature adds a layer of security, ensuring that your projects remain confidential. This laptop also boasts a range of connectivity options, including HDMI, Ethernet, and Type-C ports, making it suitable for various editing setups. Number 4. Apple 2021 MacBook Pro. The Apple MacBook Pro, featuring a 16.2-inch Retina XDR display and powered by the formidable M1 Pro chip with a 10-core CPU and 16-core GPU, is a standout choice among the top 5 best video editing laptops of 2024. This laptop is designed for professional video editing, offering the perfect blend of performance and portability. With 16GB of RAM and a spacious 512GB of SSD, it provides ample memory and storage capacity to handle even the most demanding video editing projects with ease. The lightning-fast SSD ensures swift data access, accelerating your workflow. The MacBook Pro's stunning 16.2-inch Retina XDR display delivers exceptional color accuracy and brightness, making it a pleasure to work on color grading and visual effects. With a wide P3 color gamut and HDR support, it ensures your video projects look stunningly bright and lifelike. Apple's M1 chip with its 10-core CPU and 16-core GPU is a powerhouse, capable of handling 4K and even 8K video editing without breaking a sweat. It offers remarkable performance gains, reducing rendering times, and the ability to work with multiple high-resolution video streams simultaneously. The laptop's sleek and lightweight design makes it highly portable, allowing video editors to work on their projects from virtually anywhere. The space gray finish adds a touch of sophistication to its aesthetics. Number 3. Asus ROG Zephyrus gaming laptop. The Asus ROG Zephyrus laptop is featuring a 14-inch FHD 144Hz display, AMD Ryzen 7 5800HS processor up to 4.4 GHz, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics, and a whopping 40 GB of RAM and a capacious 2TB SSD, is a stellar choice for video editing enthusiasts. With its powerful AMD Ryzen 7 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 GPU, this laptop not only capable of handling video editing tasks with ease, but also excels in gaming and other resource-intensive applications. The 144Hz display ensures smooth visuals, making it an excellent choice for both work and play. Video editors will appreciate the 40 GB of RAM, which allows for smooth multitasking and efficient video rendering. Additionally, the generous 2TB SSD provides ample storage space for large video files, projects, and applications. The laptop's sleek and modern white design adds a touch of sophistication to your workspace. Its portability is a plus, making it suitable for on-the-go video editing. With Bluetooth and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, you can easily transfer files and stay connected. Running on Windows 11 Home, this laptop offers a user-friendly and efficient environment for video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. The combination of robust hardware and the latest Windows OS ensures a seamless video editing experience. Number 2. Dell Inspiron 14 Plus 7420. The Dell Inspiron 14 Plus 7420 is a standout choice for video editing in 2024, featuring a 14-inch 2.2K 16x10 display, Intel Core i7-12700H processor, 16GB of DDR5 RAM, and a spacious 1TB SSD, and Intel Iris Xe graphics. It's a powerhouse designed to elevate your video editing workflow. The 2.2K display with a 16:10 aspect ratio provides ample screen real estate for editing videos with precision. Whether you're editing 4K footage or crafting cinematic sequences, the vibrant and sharp visuals will ensure you can see every detail. Under the hood, the Intel Core i7-12700H processor offers exceptional performance for demanding video editing tasks. Combined with 16GB of DDR5 RAM, you'll experience seamless multitasking and faster video rendering. The 1TB SSD provides lightning fast storage access, ensuring your video files load quickly and your projects save without delay. Dell goes the extra mile by including a 2-year on-site warranty, antivirus protection, migration assistance, and pre-installed Windows 11 Pro and Office 365. This comprehensive package ensures a hassle-free experience for video editors, allowing you to focus on your creative work. The laptop's Atlantic green color adds a touch of sophistication and style to your workspace, making it both a powerful tool and a fashion statement. Whether you're working from a studio or a coffee shop, its portability and sleek design make it a versatile companion. Number 1. Lenovo latest Gen 8 ThinkPad X1 Carbon. The Lenovo X1 Carbon takes the top spot as the best laptop for video editing in 2024. With its outstanding combination of performance, display quality, and professional grade features, it's the ultimate choice for content creators. This ThinkPad X1 Carbon features a brilliant 14-inch FHD display with 400 nits of brightness. It provides exceptional color accuracy and sharpness, making it ideal for video editors where color precision is crucial. The near borderless design maximizes your screen real estate, allowing you to focus on your work. Under the hood, it's equipped with a 10th gen Intel i7-10510U processor that can turbo boost up to 4.90 GHz. Paired with a generous 16GB of RAM and a lightning fast 1TB PCIe SSD, this laptop ensures that your video editing applications run smoothly and large video files load quickly. The durable and lightweight carbon fiber construction of the ThinkPad X1 Carbon makes it easy to carry wherever your creative projects take you. Lenovo's renowned ThinkPad keyboard provides a comfortable and accurate typing experience, while the trackpad is precise and responsive. Additionally, the laptop includes advanced security features like a fingerprint sensor and physical camera cover, ensuring your data and privacy are protected. The Lenovo ThinkPad is not just a powerhouse for video editing, it's a statement of professionalism and reliability. If you're a video editor who demands the best in performance and display quality, this laptop is your perfect companion. In conclusion, the top 5 best video editing laptops of 2024 offer a diverse range of options for video editors. Whether you prioritize performance, display quality, or portability, these laptops cater to your specific editing needs, enhancing your creative journey in the world of video editing.